ignored my garage door for way too long, and before I knew, it was looking really weathered. I didn't know where to start. I thought sanding it off would be a good idea, but I really needed technical advice. David, a product specialist at Dulux, was on hand with expert advice and tips on how to do this DIY. I sanded it down a while ago and I just lost steam and I don't know what to do now. I want it to look pretty, but it's not.
The big thing is on garage doors is that you get panel doors.
Okay.
So ideally you don't want a situation that to put a varnish on, because the varnish will not allow the wood to breathe.
Okay.
So the ideal product to use is the Dulux Woodgard wood preservative.
Okay.
That the bulk of the treatment sits inside the wood. And if it does get water, it allows the moisture to come out without causing any blistering. The first thing is we're going to have to do a little bit more sanding.
This is quite a difficult DIY to do, but I decided that it was time that I do this myself.
After sanding, very important to remove the sawdust. And then what I like to do is I take some mineral turpentine and just wipe down that surface to get that last little bit of sawdust out of the grain of the wood, and then we're ready for application.
Thanks to Dulux, this DIY gave me a brand spanking new garage door.